In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet with external users. Whether you're collaborating with team members outside of your organization or sharing crucial updates with partners, Smartsheet makes it easy to extend access securely and effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage this process smoothly. Let's get started by opening the specific sheet or report you wish to share. This initial step is all about preparation, ensuring you're ready to extend access to the right resource. Once your sheet or report is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you will find the Share button. This button is your gateway to connecting with external collaborators. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the sharing process. After clicking the Share button, you'll see a field titled Invite People and Groups. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of those external users you're planning to collaborate with. It's as simple as typing in their email addresses, separated by commas if you're inviting multiple users at once. Be sure to double-check those addresses, as their accuracy is crucial in ensuring the invitations reach the intended recipients. Upon entering the email addresses, it's important to assign the right permission level to each user. This ensures appropriate access while protecting your data integrity. You'll have several options to choose from, including Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Select Viewer if the individual only needs to see the content. Choose Commenter if they should interact by leaving feedback. Opt for Editor if they need to make changes. Carefully consider the needs based on each user's role to assign the correct level of access. Next, you'll have the chance to customize the message included in the invitation email. While this step is optional, it's a great opportunity to provide context or specific instructions to the recipients. A personalized message can make a difference, letting them know why they're receiving the sheet and what actions you expect. With everything set, go ahead and click Share. This final action sends out the invitations, granting external users access according to the permissions you've specified. And just like that, you've successfully shared your Smartsheet with external partners. Sharing in Smartsheet is straightforward, but taking these deliberate steps ensures your data is both accessible to your collaborators and secured from any unintended modifications. Efficient and secure sharing empowers your project to proceed without a hitch, maintaining smooth communication across the board. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more guides on maximizing your productivity with Smartsheet. Until next time, happy collaborating.